Today, I'll show you how to speed up your PC using simple steps. No software, no risk, just safe Windows tools that help improve performance. First, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type clean mgr and press Enter. Now, select the unwanted temporary files you want to remove. You can safely select all files. It is completely fine. Click OK to start cleaning. Next, press Windows key and R again. Type temp and press Enter. Select all files using Ctrl and A, then delete them. If some files do not delete, they are being used by the system, so you can skip them. Now, press Windows key and R again. Type %temp% and press Enter. Just like before, select all files and delete them to clear more temporary data. Next, press Windows key and R. Type prefetch and press Enter. Select all files here and delete them to remove old loading data. Now, press Windows key and R and type tree. This step does not speed up your PC, but it helps you understand disk organization quickly. It is useful for finding where files are stored, learning how programs are structured, fixing folder issues, and explaining folders to someone else. Finally, disable unnecessary apps that open when Windows starts. Turning off unused startup apps helps your PC boot faster and reduces background load. Keep system and security apps enabled. Next, click on the task search bar, type msconfig, and press Enter. In System Configuration, open the Startup tab. Then click Open Task Manager. Here, look for unnecessary apps and disable them. You can always enable them again later by following the same steps. Now, open the Services tab and check the option Hide All Microsoft Services. This will show only non-Microsoft services. From here, you can uncheck any unwanted services you recognize and do not need running in the background. That's it. Your PC should now feel cleaner and faster.